How to add or remove menu bar items on MacBook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and tap on the Apple icon on the top left of your screen and further tap on the System Preferences option. You will then see the dock and menu bar option. Tap on that and now go ahead and tap on the items you want to add to the menu bar and further select the show in menu bar checkbox. And if you do not want some item in your menu bar, then tap on that particular item that you do not want and further uncheck the show in menu bar checkbox, and with this the item will be removed from your menu bar. So this is how you can add or remove menu bar items on MacBook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.